So Widgetable pet feature, what is it, how it works? So Widgetable is a very popular app to get, lock screen widgets for all kinds of styles and all of that. But they just released a major update which seems to go viral, which is called like pet co-parenting. So raise a pet with your friend together. So to get access to that feature, you just need to tap update, and then you will get access to that. So yeah, the pet will travel between both phones, keeping you connected and telling how well the other guy takes care of it. So yeah, just to tell you the whole picture, this is not like a new idea. There is another app called Sush, which also is going viral, and this is basically the same idea, that you have like your virtual pet and you need to grow this pet together with your friend. So seems now Widgetable app is taking that idea, because Sush app is also going viral. So yeah, you can allow notifications, and then you just have all the kinds of different widgets here, but I guess you just need to go to the pad, and then you just tap on the bottom right, tell your pet's name. Here you can see all the details. Take care of the pet. You got a food gift, try to give food to your pet. And that's basically the idea here. Then you just tap again, and you need to give some food. So then you just go to the food and then tap on the food, and then you can get some food. Then you can get some, okay, if you want to get some premium foods, you need to purchase it. If you need to get some daily food, you can just tap on it, and then you have it, and you see that your pet is being fed. So you can also get some more items for free, but you will need to watch videos to get also some additional items. As you can see, there are different items which you can feed your pet. So you, and then yes, these items are kind of free, but they're in limited numbers. So there is only one apple, one carrot, and all of that. So okay, still this so then you just kind of need to take care of your pet. And there is some kind of a chat, maybe it's kind of like some chat GPT. So yeah, and then when the pet is in your phone, you can tap on the transfer station and the co-parenting tab to send the pet to your friend's phone anytime. The time it takes on the way will differ with different transfer station. So yeah, that's basically your pet. Then there are eggs. You can inactivate, you can rename it, and then you can just send pet to your friend. Select a pet and tap send it now. You can interact with the pets being sent, which can be cancelled anytime. So yeah, so there is a pet tutorial. So you're sure you want to send your puppy to a friend as a gift, you can interact with the pets being sent, which can be cancelled anytime. So then you can just select puppy and then tap share, and then the share to one of your friends. So then you will have this pet as a link, and then you can just adopt it. Another cool thing, of course, is that you can just save it to widget. So either you want to install it on the home screen or you can install it as a lock screen. So for example, you can just add on the home screen, select the size of the widget, large, small, or medium. This is just like a preview. You can see the preview in the top part. So for example, like this, and then there you have it. After hatching X and adding the pad, you can have different cute pads to accompany your day. And then you can just tap save. And then you
Long
can
press
just
the
go
empty space on your home screen. Tap the plus
try
on
to
the
install the widget. There is a handy tutorial already, but I will just show it to you. Okay, right, so I just have a lot of apps, but just tap and hold, then you can just add through the widgets and then just select Widgetable, small widget, because we saved like a small widget. And then you just tap add, tap done, and then you can just long press, edit the widget, and then widget style, and then pet. So there you have it. So yeah, puppy. So now this is my pet. So yeah, there you have it. That's basically the idea. Also, then you can install it as a lock screen widget. So just tap on the widget, add widgets, and then you can also add it like as a lock screen, either rectangular or circular. And then you can just tap save. And then you can just proceed from the settings app. And then, for example, you can just select wallpaper here and then customize, add widgets. From here, you can just go and find Widgetable. Oops, not YouTube, just Widgetable. Circular widget, just tap here and then just tap here and select pet. So there you have it. Then your pet status will be saved on your lock screen, and then just tap done in the top right to save it on the lock screen. So something around that basically. That's how you kind of can proceed with it. And then yeah, then you just have it here. So that's basically the idea, but I guess the whole point here is that you can co-parent these pets with your friends and then just can manage them together. There is also pet chat, so you can message other pet rocket. This is just premium features. So yes, something like that. That's basically an overview. Yeah, hope that was helpful.